What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a new domain-based email account for your WordPress site using cPanel. Having a proper email address like info@yourdomain.com or admin@yourdomain.com is important for professionalism, deliverability, and trust. WordPress uses email for things like password resets, contact form notifications, and system alerts, so setting up a dedicated email account ensures those messages come from a real verified address. And this is another area where RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting makes this simple. With built-in email management, you can create and manage domain-based email accounts in just a few clicks. If you're not hosting with us yet, be sure to check us out at racknerd.com. Our hosting plans make website and email management easy and reliable. Now, before we get started, I will mention that I've already covered fixing WordPress email issues and SMTP setup in other tutorials. This video is focusing on the first step, creating the actual email account WordPress will use. All right, let's move into the steps. Start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're on the main dashboard, scroll down to the email section and click on Email Accounts. On the email accounts page, you'll see a button labeled Create. Click that to begin setting up a new email address. Now you'll be asked to choose the username and domain. In the username field, type the name that you want before the @ symbol, such as info, admin, or support. Then make sure that the correct domain for your WordPress site is selected in the dropdown. Next, create a strong password for the email account. You can enter one manually or use the built-in password generator to create a secured password. Make sure to save the password somewhere safe, since you'll need it later if you connect this email to WordPress or an SMTP plugin. Below that, you'll see the mailbox storage settings. You can either set a specific storage limit or leave it as unlimited, depending on your hosting plan and needs. Once everything looks good, click Create to finish setting up the email account. After the account is created, you'll see it listed under Email Accounts. From here, you can access webmail, configure email clients, or use this address inside of WordPress for notifications and outgoing messages. At this point, your new email address is live and ready to use. You can now log into WordPress and update your admin email, contact form settings, or SMTP plugin to use this domain-based email address. And that's it. You've successfully created a new email account for your WordPress site using cPanel. This is an important step for professional communication and reliable email delivery from WordPress. It's another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you everything you need in one place. Websites, files, databases, and email management all working together. If you're looking for fast and reliable hosting with cPanel access, head over to racknerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step WordPress guides just like this one. All right, that wraps up things for me today. I will catch you in the next video.